So here given the area model for you. See, for example, this is diagram, okay, and let us have it is being splitted into 4 parts, okay, where you will be having divided into 4 parts. The numbers, or you can say the areas which is given for each boxes. Like for the first box it is mentioned as 200 and we doesn't know the length and breadth of it. Just they have given the symbol. Let us have circle symbol here and have star here, and let me have Artin symbol here, and one more thing is given, one more area is given for you, which is 24, and the measurement of this length is given to be 3. Okay, so this area is not given and this area is also not given. So altogether it is given, total area is 414. From this we are going to find out the areas of the unknown rectangles, okay, and the symbols whichever is given, or you can also mention it as icons. Okay, so we know only the length of this box. Okay, now for us to find out the icon of this, the value of this Artin icon is very simple, because we know the area is 24 and one side length is given, whereas if you wanted to consider this area, you will be taking the measurement of this line length and this line. Okay, so since it is mentioned 3 here, here also you will be getting 3, and we doesn't know this line, so you can mark it as X. So 3 into, I am going to write it as Artin itself, equal to 24. Okay, so from this you can find it out, the Artin value will be 24 divided by 3, that is equal to 8. So we got the value of Artin here as 8. Okay, now going to find other icons. Now let us consider this circle and star as length and breadth of this rectangle. Okay, that is length into breadth equal to 200, which is given for us. So first area is 24, that we have already found it out. Now the other area we know, that is 200. Okay, so for this let us consider the length and breadth as circle and star. So we doesn't know both the values. Okay, so you can guess the factors of 200, which is giving you the length and breadth. So let me consider 10 and 20. So if I'm going to consider length as 10 and breadth as 20, I'll be getting 200. This is just a guess. If it is going wrong, then you should come back and find it out. So my guess was 10 and 20. So I'm going to have 200 over here. Okay. So here circle I'm going to keep it as 10 and star I'm going to keep it as 20. So which is going to give me 200. Okay. Since I got the star value as 20, now we are going for this area. So 8 is known for us, 20 is known. Now 8 into 20, you will be getting the area here, that is 8 into 20, 10 into star, which is giving you 8 2s are 16. So 160 is the answer. Okay, and here you have 10, and the last area is this box, which is giving you the breadth 3. So 10 into 3 will be 30. And now we are going to check our results, whether we are going to get the whole area as 414. So what was the first area we got? It 24 plus 30 plus the other area is 160 and fourth area is 200. Let me add this and check whether we are getting 4 and 4. If it is 4 and 4 right, or else you will be changing any other factor for 200. Okay, so this is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2, 3 and 4. So 414 we got the area. So our guess is right, and this is a way to find out the left out values.